Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra and once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can integrate Firebase in your SwiftUI application. Okay, the procedure will be same, either you are using the SwiftUI or you are using the normal Swift language with the storyboard. Okay, so let's understand and begin with the Firebase integration. In this tutorial I will tell you very basic step for integration so that you can get the analytics and characteristics of your application. In upcoming video I will integrate the authentication, I will integrate the real-time database, I will integrate the Firestore. Okay, so let's begin with the small video and understand what is the behind Firebase integration. Okay, let's begin. So here, as you can see, I have just create new application with multi-platform. Okay, here we have various operating system for creating the application. So in this video, I'm going to use multi-part. Click on next. Here, give name of your project. Might be you already having the project with you, so you can give your own. So I have created the successfully project in my stack. Okay, now what is the next? How to integrate the Firebase in your package? So let's begin with that. Okay, at the very top, if you will go under file you will see add packages. If you click on add packages, then here you have to paste, suppose you having the already Firebase package in your system, then search just for Firebase. But if you do not have the Firebase in your system, then you need to add this link in the URL directly, then the same project will come. Okay, and after doing this, link you will find into the description of the video. So once you done that, then here you will get the add package button. Okay, so just make sure to click on add package button. After add package button, it will take some time to verifying and to installing the packages in your system. Okay, so after that you have to add the couple of library. Here you can see which package you want to add out of them. Okay, so I will add Firebase Analytics, Firebase Analytics Swift, and Firebase Analytics on device conversion, Firebase Analytics without add ID support, so this you can skip. Firebase Auth if you are integrating the authentication, Firebase Crashlytics. So here is Firebase Crashlytics we are going to use, then Firebase Performance. So here is Firebase Performance. Click on add package. So if I click on add package, then you can see all the relatively library has been came in my project. Now I can start the integration. Okay, so now go to the browser. After going to the browser, you will see this link firebase.google.com. Okay, after click on that, after entering that, then you will see a button go to console. Once you click on go to console, then you will get a button add projects. Okay, so here click on add projects. Here you can give name of the project. Okay, so after doing that, click on confirm, continue, continue, select analytics. Here you can select the analytics. Okay, or you can create new analytics. Okay, so after that, just create the project. Once the project is created, then you will see few steps which you need to follow while you are implementing the Firebase in your project. So it may take some time, just hold on. So here project creation is completed. Now my project is ready. Click on continue. After click on continue, you will see a basic dashboard screen. In dashboard screen, click on iOS. Here you need to give your app bundle identifier. Okay, let's back to the Xcode. After going to the Xcode, click on Firebase. Here you can see your bundle identifier. Okay, so copy this. After copy, paste here, and here give the name of the app. This app store ID is optional, but in some cases you need to give that, and you should give that, like for the push notification and other. Okay, that we will cover into the upcoming videos. So register app. Once you click on register, then you will see Google service info playlist. Click on download. So this will get download, and so this is your info playlist over here. Now you need to add this in your project. Okay, so what I will do, this is my project, this is my folder, and I will drag and drop here. After dragging you will see a video. Now here just make sure you have create groups. Okay, don't do not use create folder reference, otherwise what happen when you are if by mistake you delete this file from this folder, then you will not able to run your project. Okay, but if you make like create groups, then this file automatically come in your project folder. So click on finish. Once you click on finish, then you will see a file like that. Okay, after doing this, go to your Firebase app demo. This is the main demo over here. Here import Firebase core. Once now here they have given this instruction, you have to put this code in your app delegate file, but here we are using the Swift UI, so we don't have UI kit folder, so we cannot create app delegate file. So just copy this line, firebase.configure. Okay, come back to the project. So here we will take one function init, and inside init we will use that line which is provided by them. After that we will run our application. So from here I will select the target and hit on run. So it will take some time. After that it will show the output, and this is simulated, that's why it is coming these many errors, so don't worry about that. Now here we will go to the real-time analytics. Here you can see, okay, it's coming one. So here you can see one and two user is automatically coming over here. Okay, so while we are running, so it's counting the user. Okay, so this is our database, no, sorry, this is a analytics, and here crashlytics we have enabled. So let's see. So here you can see app has been detected, but we are waiting for the crash. So once any crash came, then it will show over here, and performance. So if you click on performance, then you can see the performance of the application in all the version. Here you can see the entire things, what is going on, and what is the performance of your application. So that's all for this video. If you have any query, any doubt in this Firebase integration, just please comment it in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.